Hi, my name is Brian D'Amico. I'm one of the investing coaches here at VectorVest, and today I'm going to be teaching one of my fellow team members a virtually unknown trading technique that will allow him to win even if he's wrong. Can you imagine that? Winning even if you're wrong. Well, he has zero knowledge of the trade that I'm going to be showing him today. It's a trade that maybe 1 in 100 investors know about, but it happens to be one of the most powerful income generating trades that we've come across. It was our mission to create a technique that anyone can do in just minutes, even if they've never had success in the stock market, even if they've never had experience in the stock market. It's a trade so simple. My 14-year-old daughter was one of our first students. It's not only simple, it is safe. I mean, I wouldn't teach my daughter a risky trade. My goal is to teach this technique in just a short amount of time to this one lucky person. So when the market opens, he'll have 100% confidence he can enter this trade from start to finish with no help from me. Why should you care? Well, if I'm successful, I'll be able to share this technique with you so you can win even if you're wrong. Winning even if you're wrong is the key to making consistent monthly income in the market. That means if I'm successful, just moments from now, you'll be able to unlock the secrets of this trade so you can start winning even if you're wrong and begin to unleash your own income potential. Well, let's get right to it.
Meet Mark. Even though he's been investing for a while, he's like most investors. He primarily buys and sells stocks to try and grow his account. Years ago, he dabbled with options, but gave it up. He currently doesn't have a dedicated income strategy. I told him about this new income system we developed that anyone could learn in 60 minutes. He was skeptical, but was willing to give it a shot. Let's see if he and I were able to do it. I had Mark sit down with his notepad and pen in hand. I went through each part of the trade with him. After each step, I had him log into his brokerage and do a couple of mini action items to get practice. After my 60 minutes was up, I walked over to him to see if he felt he was ready to place his first trade. He looked at his notes and he walked me through placing the trade with his broker. The true test would be Monday morning when he places his first trade for real. I told him I wouldn't help him even if he asked because I wanted to see if he could do it on his own. Let's see how he did with his first trade. Hello, Mark. Are you there?
Yes, Brian. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. Well, are you ready? It's Monday morning.
I'm ready. I'm actually was looking over my notes here, so I think I'm ready to go.
All right. Well, I'm going to not touch anything. So I'm just going to be over here. And let me actually, there we go. I was going to record this if that's all right.
Okay, that's fine.
Let me, hold on. Let me hit the, and Mark, are you able to share your screen? And that way we can see.
Yes, I think I can do that. Give me one moment.
Okay. At this point, Mark used his notes and his memory to place his trade. At one point, he tried to lean on me for some help.
So is that the only thing I checked there?
I'm not allowed to say anything, Mark.
This is true. Okay. All right.
He realized he didn't have to lean on me. The trade was so easy, he was able to continue placing the trade and was done in just a couple of minutes. At the end, he got his confirmation screen letting him know the order was placed.
Okay, got it. That's it?
That's it.
All right.
All right.
Painless.
Congratulations, Mark. You just placed your first SPX income trade.
Thank you.
You completed the challenge.
Yeah.
All right, Mark. Well, we'll check in later on, maybe later on today, tomorrow, and see how the trade is going.
Okay, sounds good.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Well, I will let you go, Mark. You have a great day.
All right, you too.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Hello, Mark, you there?
Yes. How you doing, Brian?
Yeah, yes, it is Brian. Now I can't see you anymore. I can put on my video. I guess. Oh, there I am in the corner. So, uh, hey, Mark. So you sent me a message. I'm assuming there might be some good news. We placed a trade on Monday, right? And today is Wednesday. So
Yeah.
what's the news?
Well, as you know, you taught me this trade on Friday, and then Monday morning we got together. I was able to place a trade on my own, and today around noon the trade closed. We put in the sell order, and by the time I looked at my portfolio again, it was gone.
That's awesome. So this is your very first trade, right?
Yeah, my first time ever doing this trade. I mean, I still don't really know what happened. All I know is I made money, which is awesome.
So, well, I guess if somebody's kind of listening to this, let's kind of maybe tell them just from your perspective. What was it like learning it? Did you need to know kind of the ins and outs of the trade? You just said you still don't kind of know all the details. Like, do you feel like you needed to know all the details, or just basically kind of what are your thoughts?
Yeah. Well, I found it actually very easy to learn, to be honest with you. So somebody that I don't trade options very often, like I told you, and in fact, I really don't trade them all. It's been years since I traded an option. I found it very easy to follow these rules. In fact, I was thinking about them all weekend, to be honest with you. So we did our time together, probably I'd say about an hour, maybe something like that. And I took my notes, but then most of the weekend I was just kind of thinking back on the process, and there was really like, I'm going to say there was less than 10 things. It might have been 4 key things that I really had to remember. So by the time it was time, we were going in to make the trade, it was pretty simple for me to do that. And, I think we did it in, I want to say it was less than 10 minutes. And most of that was because I was fumbling around the platform for trading the options. So that was probably the hardest piece for me. But to be honest with you, placing the trade was easy. Understanding the process was totally simple. And then to me, the kicker I really love, because I'm busy all the day. I've got meetings coming up, people asking questions, a lot of distractions going on during the day. So to have that sell order in place, so I can go ahead and take my profit at like the rules say, was beautiful.
Cool.
Great.
All right. Now, if you don't mind sharing, I think we'll try to get the video of you placing the trade. I think you did 2 contracts, right?
Yes.
Of the trade. So in like 3 days' time, that worked out to be, what was it, like $260 or something?
Yeah, $260 in a couple days. I'll take it. Yeah, it really only 10 minutes of work for me. No, plus the hour I guess I took to learn it. Yeah, I'll take it. That works for me. Let me just show you the trade. I can see that it closed out.
Cool.
Like I said, that happened automatically. Let's see. I believe it's here.
I guess the good thing is you don't have to do that 1 hour more. Like you.
That's right.
Now you've got it.
It's 10 minutes.
Awesome. Well, congratulations. And is this something that you think that you're going to be able to do again on your own next week?
Absolutely. It's something I will be doing again on my own next week. It was so easy. It's simple.
Well, cool. Congratulations again. Thanks for sharing your trade results, and good luck in your future trading.
All right. Thanks a lot, Brian. I appreciate it.
All right, man. Take care.
If you want to take the challenge like Mark did and begin placing income trades for yourself, then head on over to www.vectorvest.com/challenge. There you'll find all the details of the challenge and how to get yourself registered. This can be a life-altering and life-improving decision you make that you won't regret. I hope you take the challenge and send me your success story after you place your first income trade. Again, go to VectorVest.com/challenge to get started.